Well, come January, if you have sinkhole coverage through Citizens Property Insurance, your rates could skyrocket if the Florida Office of Regulation approves their request for a rate increase. The hearing on that rate increase is happening right now in Tampa, and our Jeff Butera is there at the Tampa Convention Center. Jeff?
Well, Jameson, people in the insurance industry have told me before that the hearing process is a good thing for people. It protects them. Well, I can tell you there are a couple hundred people inside the convention center right now who are very upset about these proposed rate increases, and they hope that the Office of Insurance Regulation does protect them today. Here is what this issue is all about. During the legislative session, lawmakers passed Senate Bill 408, which eliminated a 10% cap on how much the state-run Citizens Property Insurance could raise their sinkhole rates on you. In turn, Citizens, which shoulders sinkhole insurance for a lot of Floridians, asked to raise their rates an average of 400% statewide, and even higher for Hillsborough and Hernando counties, infuriating lawmakers and consumer advocates who don't think people can afford that.
If these rate increases are approved, more people will lose their homes in the Tampa Bay area.
These are people that aren't going to be able to afford to stay in their homes, that are going to have to make some decisions that they shouldn't have to make.
Responding to public pressure, the Citizens Board voted Monday to only increase rates by 50% the first year. Although after that year, there are no guarantees. Representatives for the insurance industry say the rate increases are because of this. Sinkhole claims are going up, and premiums are not covering it anymore. For example, Citizens collected $32 million in premiums last year, but paid out almost $250 million in sinkhole claims.
The rates are matching the losses, what's being paid out in claims. So that's what's driving all this.
But Senator Mike Fasano says it is unfair when very few private insurers offer sinkhole coverage, yet some lenders require it, that one of the few insurance companies you can get it from in this state wants to jack their rates up as much as 50%, much less 2,000% like they want in Hillsborough County.
What they've said is, if these rates are approved, for the first year we'll only increase rates by 50%. Only? That's a $1,000 increase to my constituents in 2 counties that I represent.
Now, during this hearing, Citizens has to justify to the Office of Insurance Regulation, the OIR, why they want and need this rate increase. Meanwhile, there are hundreds of people inside the convention center who will be speaking out against the rate increase. Ultimately, the OIR will not make a decision today. They are just listening to all the people who have come here to speak. They will make a decision soon, and we'll let you know what they decide. We're live in Tampa. I'm Jeff Butera, ABC Action News.